Hey everyone, it's Patty. Welcome to another video. I'm so excited to be sharing with you a bathroom declutter and organization today. One of my favorite things about organizing is just creating a beautiful and functional space. In this video, I'm going to be organizing our downstairs half bathroom. It's the main bathroom we use, so I was really excited to make it a space that would work for our family, but also kind of transform it and make it a little bit more beautiful because it is an older bathroom, so I was excited to kind of update it with organizing. Make sure you stay tuned till the very end to see the final organization outcome. Okay, so over here are the things I'm thinking of using in my bathroom declutter organization. Most of these things are from the Dollar Spot or Dollar Tree, and then I do have this tier tray that I've had for several years that I'm thinking about using. And I'm thinking about putting this on a wood stool, and the wood stool isn't in the best shape. So I was thinking this would be great because it'll kind of cover it up, but it's still like on a stool. So I'm probably going to use that. This Hobby Lobby usually brings every year during their springtime. So I got it like on clearance like a few years ago. And then these two tier trays I showed you guys in the Dollar Spot. I'm thinking of having this one like on top of my counter to kind of have like the everyday things we use. And then this one, I'm thinking of putting my makeup that I'm going to be using daily. That way I can put it under the sink and pull it out, but it's like really easy to pull everything out. So that's kind of my plans for these. And then our cabinet is already lined with a liner that isn't my taste, but I don't feel like taking it out. So I was thinking, because we're hoping it's really old and in really bad shape, so I'm hoping we can replace that cabinet sooner rather than later. So I was thinking, in the meantime, I'll just wipe it and put this over it instead of taking the time to take the other one off and all of that. And I got this from the dollar store. And then I thought this is the bathroom I'm organizing is the only bathroom downstairs, and Chris likes to have like a bar of soap downstairs, not only like the soap pump dispenser. So I thought this would be cute to put like the bar of soap on. And then these are for my makeup brushes to put in the caddy. And then I just got, this is like a new line that the Dollar Spot, or not Dollar Spot, Dollar Tree has. It's all like matte black, and I thought that was pretty. And they all have like the weave detail. It's like a charcoal color, and I thought it went well with this stuff. They also had a gold that I'm thinking about going back to get to organize the kitchen. And then they have like a beige color. So definitely check out your Dollar Tree because they have some really great organization stuff. Then this is a bunch of stuff that my daughter decided to pull out. Oh, this is from the Dollar Spot too. So I thought this would be like a cute storage container. And then I just have a garbage bag to hopefully throw some things away. And then my 1-year-old pulled out a bunch of stuff, so I figured I'm just going to leave it out and go ahead and organize. So all of this stuff was at some point under the sink, and she pulled everything out. So that's a 1-year-old for you. Let me go ahead and show you under the bathroom sink. Okay, at some point all of this was organized, but like I said, my daughter gets in here and pulls everything out, so then everything is just kind of a mess. So I'm gonna organize everything and then buy the lock to lock this cabinet. So but as you see, we keep diapers down here, and I need to get rid of some of the plastic wrap. Then I have my makeup, and I had 2 plastic containers that had like the makeup I wasn't using, that I like use for different seasons. And she got in it. So I want to reorganize that, and then I'll probably, I might move it to a different container. We'll see. Back here, we just have some like headbands that we use on a regular basis, and just like basic toiletry things. We have blow dryer, cosmetic bags, perfumes. Over here I have lotions. It's like a hot mess express. And then here I have this swivel caddy for like the cleaners and stuff like that. I need to take this off to make it look better. Then I just have like tons of hand towels, and then toilet paper that I didn't get to because like that I put back there but never knew was back there because it's like so packed with stuff. And first step is going to be taking everything out. It's always good to take everything out so you can kind of make a game plan of what storage items you need, how you're going to store things. I always like to have a plan before entering an organization product. And also, if things have been in there a long time, it also kind of reminds you of what you have. It also, when you take everything out, will encourage you to get rid of what you're not really using, and you can kind of see the bigger picture once everything is cleared out of the cabinet. I also wanted to take everything out because I did want to add that liner. We did purchase this house about 6 months ago, so it came with the green liner, but I didn't want to go through the hassle of pulling it out just because it was pretty stuck on there. So I just decided to wipe it really good and then just put another contact paper from the Dollar Tree in there for now until we can replace it with a new vanity. The contact paper, and can I just say I have a love relationship with contact paper. Felt like throwing it out the window, but I finished and I think it'll look better once everything's on top of it. It wasn't something I wanted to spend a ton of time on, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through everything, get rid of some things, and then make piles of how I want to organize it and start organizing it into the bins. Going through all of your items can be pretty overwhelming, so what I always find to be really helpful is just grouping items by category. So here, after I pulled everything out, some of the stuff was all over the place. There wasn't like a rhyme or reason because everything had been pulled out by my daughter. So I just wanted to go through, see what I wasn't gonna keep, and then as I was going through all of the items, I kind of tried to place things by how I want to organize in bins later on. That way it's not as overwhelming. So as you're sorting through things, it's helpful to kind of make piles of how you want to later organize the items. So I have gone through everything. I didn't have tons to declutter, like to donate, just because it's bathroom stuff, but I have 2 bags full to trash, and we've only been living here 6 months, so I didn't have tons to get rid of because I went through everything before I put it down here. So it's really more like organizing and finding a system that works for me. And just organizing it a little bit better because we kind of just shoved everything in here when we first moved in, so I want to get like a better system for it. So first things first is I want to get all the makeup put away because that is what's taking up the most space. So I'm going to go through, kind of pick my makeup for the next like 2 months or like the season, and then put the rest towards the back of the cabinet so it's out of the way, and then in a few months I'll change it again. Going through everything, I definitely realized some things from the upstairs bathroom made their way to the downstairs bathroom. So something I want to make sure I do moving forward is go through all the organization bins and every few months and make sure if things from upstairs end up downstairs that I reorganize and kind of refresh the bathroom every few months. So for me personally, I feel like that helps maintain even the best organized systems. Let me know, what do you guys do? Do you guys organize once a year? Do you kind of do like a refresh twice a year, every few months? Let me know in the comments what you do down below to help you stay organized and just refresh in your house throughout the year. glass tray that I've had, this wood tray with a glass bottom that or like a mirror bottom that I've had from the Target Dollar Spot for a few years now, and I really like it for the bathroom. And then I use regular hand towels for us, but I like to have some of the paper ones for guests. That way, like 20 people are not using the same like hand towel. So I like to have these. These are from the Hearth and Hand. I bought them because we had a lot of people coming in and out over the holidays, and I thought they were cute. But I'll replace them with regular white ones once we're done with these. And then I was planning on using this, and I had like a couple creams I was going to put inside, and I was going to put this in here, but it doesn't fit. So I was kind of bummed because they're both from the Dollar Spot, so you would think that they make these to fit in here, but it doesn't fit. So that stinks. But I added this little plastic tray. This was $1 from the Dollar Spot, and I'm just going to use this for the soap. And then I'm going to see what else. I have to see what else I have left and if anything would work for this tray. Before I show you the final touches of the other two spaces, this is the final area where I want to add a few of the things that were kind of shoved into that cabinet. It's just a little stool, and I figured I could put like all the hand towels we normally use here, and I could put some toilet paper and maybe like a piece of decor here just to brighten up the room a little bit, because it is a half bathroom, so anywhere I could add greenery, I feel like it makes it a little bit homier, since this is the bathroom that everyone sees when they come. So I'm going to go ahead and add the towels to the bottom and add a few things to the top. Here is how the finished product for this space turned out. I have all the hand towels laid out and out from under the cabinet, then some extra toilet paper, and then some like bathroom spray, a candle, and a succulent. And then over here I just have like this faux window that I made with a wreath from Magnolia Market. Then over here, this right here is above our toilet. And this shelving unit is from Hobby Lobby, and this is supposed to be for cotton balls, so I just don't have any right now. And all of these three are from the Hearth and Hand bathroom line, and then I just have this eucalyptus. No, this isn't eucalyptus. I forgot what this is called. But I just have that like floral arrangement, and then I have Q-tips in here, and then this top one is supposed to be for like the little gauze pad things. So that is that. Then this is how the final tiered tray turned out. I just have a little succulent from the Dollar Spot, some oil that I use on my face at night, and then I put my night cream here, a candle. I need a smaller one because this one I wouldn't feel comfortable lighting, but for now I think it looks really pretty there until I find a smaller one. And then another succulent, and then the bar of soap here, and then the hand towels. Here I just have our regular our regular soap, and then the hand towel. Then in here, this is the glass cabinet that is one of the ones in bad shape, but I want to show you what we keep inside just for the sake of organization. We have nail clippers, and then my top coat I like to keep in here. Then in here we just have Band-Aids for the kids because they use them all the time. Floss. I have braces, so my retainer. Toothbrushes for us. The kids' toothbrushes are in their bathroom upstairs. And then our deodorant. So that's just like the cabinet. Here is the final outcome with the bottom bathroom cabinet. I am really happy with how it turned out. I didn't have enough of the matte black containers. They had just come out with them when I went to the store, so they didn't have like all the sizes. So I kind of combined it with the gray bins that I already had, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And it kind of ties in this tier tray because that's black and silver, so I think it looks really nice. So here I just have the cleaners for this bathroom. Then I have a mirror that I pull out from time to time. Then back here I have my perfume, the kids like baby cologne, and then my husband's cologne, and then just like foot creams, a spa face mask. This is like if I put on any masks and stuff, like a headband to tie back my hair. Then in the back here, just feminine products, and then are my like travel bags for like jewelry and things like that. And then here I just have diapers and wipes. Whatever doesn't fit here will go upstairs. Then all the way in the back I have 2 bins full of like the makeup I'm not currently using. So on the bottom I just have eyeshadows and blushes, and then on the top I have like lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses, eyeliners, sample mascaras, that type of thing. Then in this basket here I have my flat iron, my hair dryer, and then my headbands. Then this is kind of like the hair basket. I have combs, brushes, my son's hair wax, and then hairspray and mousse. And then right next to it I just put the girls' bows and headbands that we use more often. Everything else is upstairs. And then my favorite part, I'm so happy with how this tier tray turned out. I put my face cream, my primer, my foundation, BB cream, brushes are in this one, and then lip products, mascara, my tweezers, pencils, all of that are in the second basket. And on the bottom tray I just have the eyeshadows I want to use for the next like 2 months. I have a couple of eyeshadow palettes that I feel like will be pretty for like winter transitioning to spring. Then I have 2 blushes that I picked out, my powder, highlighter, concealer, all of that stuff. And it fits perfectly, and it's super easy to pull in and out. That way every morning I can pull it out, do my makeup, and then put everything back away, and it's so easy for me to pull in and out. So I really like that. And I just love when things are organized in like a pretty way. It makes it, to me, easier, like more exciting to keep things organized. That's just kind of how I feel about things. So I hope you like this Organize with me. If you did, let me know in the comments down below if there's another space that you'd like to see me organize, or if it's already organized, I'd be happy to show you how I have it organized. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!